today we're finding roots of a number. It's kind of what we were doing yesterday. When it says find the indicated real roots of a, what I'm doing is I'm writing this number. So that's my base. A is my base. N is kind of my exponent. It's a fraction exponent. So what I'm going to do is, if it's a negative, I'm going to make sure it's in parentheses. And then I'm going to type it into the calculator. I'm going to do parentheses negative 216 to the 1/3 power, like that. Yeah? So then all I have to do is I press enter, and it gives me my answer, which is -6. Questions on that? So what this is doing, the calculator, is finding what number multiplies to -216 3 times. It's like what we were doing yesterday, except the calculator's doing all the hard work. Yeah. So then on number 2, there is one thing though. So on number 2, oh, that's too close. I'm going to write 81 to the 1/4 power. Looks like an 8. Where's my whiteout? Okay, so when I type this one into the calculator, I get 3, but it's an even power. Yeah, so what you would do is, so you go to, oh no, you don't have to do it like that, you can just do divides as your fraction.
Oh, okay.
So you go here, and then I do 1 divided by 4.
Oh, okay.
And then it gives me 3, but remember, this was a positive, this was an even exponent, so I want to do plus or minus. We're paying attention for 2 whole problems? Yeah? How'd I get the 3? I typed it into the calculator. So, Alex, what you do is you do 81, and then you do your exponent, 1 divided by 4.
Wait, how do we put it in? You do 81 and then...
The little, like, kind of like a triangle, right? Yeah.
Okay.
So the n is always going to be the bottom number of the fraction?
Yeah, n is always the bottom number of the fraction. So on number 3, it's going to be 16 to the 1/4. That exponent's really high up. No, this one just happens to be 1/4. It's what I'm doing is I'm taking my n value, and that's the bottom of my fraction.
Okay. And then it's always going to be 1?
Yeah, 1 is always on top of the fraction. So this one, my answer is...
How can you put parentheses around 16 and not the
It was negative.
For what?
You only put parentheses around the negative ones. Because it's an even exponent. Yeah.
Oh, and you just square root it by that number?
Mm-hmm.
By the bottom.
Okay.
So how would you get that?
Number 4 that's 2.
I know. Jerry, I typed this into the calculator. So I'm going to do 16, and then I do the exponent. You remember the exponent key?
Is it 2, miss?
Yeah.
So I do exponent, and then I do 1 divided by 4 for my exponent. So, is it just 2?
I got 2. It's 2. Yeah, just 2.
It's plus or minus 2,
Wait, why?
because the n was even.
Well, would it number 1 be plus or minus?
No, because n was odd.
Oh!
Wait, so on any of the ends that are plus or minus, I mean,
Yeah,
even.
If they're even numbers, it's even plus or minus.
Okay. So, I did the same thing for number 4. And I heard someone say it's not working in the calculator.
Rather than putting the 49 on it.
Okay, Jerry, you try it.
I got you. -7.
No, Jerry. You're not putting it in the calculator.
How?
You gotta put the
I
negative.
got -17.
I've got negative.
You gotta put the negative number in parentheses.
Oh. I did that.
Yeah. So when you do that, it gives you no, or it says error or something like that, right? Can I take the square root of a negative number? Why is my... No. So this one is no solution. That's fine. So questions on today's.
Is there anything hard?
That's just it for today. Because you can't take a square root of a negative number. So whenever you have an even n, you can't have a negative a.
Whenever what?
Yeah, but that was odd. The exponent.
Oh.
Okay. Any other questions? Okay, so work on the 4 on the bottom.